Hello students, let us continue the lesson Nutrition in Animals. In the last class, you have learned how the digestion takes place in grass eating animals like cows, sheep, buffaloes, etc. Now, let us see how digestion takes place in some other microorganisms. Now children, so far you have learnt about animals which possess the digestive system. But there are many small organisms which do not have a mouth and a digestive system. Now you are going to learn about a small microorganism called amoeba. So this is the structure of amoeba. This is amoeba. We'll learn how feeding and digestion in amoeba takes place. Amoeba is a microscopic single-celled organism found in pond water. Amoeba has a cell membrane. See, it has a outer cell membrane. A rounded dense nucleus is at its center. And many small bubble-like vacuoles. So, these are all called vacuoles. Small bubble-like vacuoles in its cytoplasm. This whole part is called cytoplasm. Amoeba constantly changes its shape. See, it constantly changes its shape and position. See how it traps its prey. It pushes out. See, these are called pseudopodia. The singular is called pseudopodium. See these extra outgrowths. They are called pseudopodium. It pushes out one or more finger-like projections. Finger-like projections called pseudopodia. See, these are called pseudopodia. Finger-like projections or false feet for movement and capture of food. It captures its food with the help of these pseudopodia. Amoeba feeds on some microscopic organisms. See, this is some microscopic organism. When it senses food, it pushes out pseudopodia around the food particle and engulfs it. The food becomes trapped. See, like the food becomes trapped in a food vacuole. Digestive juices are secreted into the food vacuole. Here, they act on the food and break it down into simpler substances. Gradually, the digested food is absorbed. See, the digested food is absorbed. Here, it gets assimilated. The absorbed substances are used for growth, maintenance. The absorbed substances are used for growth, maintenance and multiplication. The undigested residue of the food is expelled outside by the vacuole. See, the undigested food is expelled outside by the vacuole. Here, can you see? This is what nutrition in amoeba. Now, the basic process of digestion of food and release of energy is the same in all the animals, right? Now, this is all about nutrition in animals. So far, whatever we have learnt here, it's here now. Now, we have learned different ways of taking food. Digestion in humans. It involves all these: the mouth and buccal cavity, food pipe and esophagus. And how the digestion takes place in stomach. Absorption. The complete digestion takes place in small intestine, and how it gets absorbed in the small intestine, how it is transported to all organs of the body, and how the undigested or unwanted residues are stored in the large intestine, and it is thrown out through the rectum. And now through anus. Now, digestion in some grass eating animals. So we have learned in the digestion in cows. Now the next is feeding and digestion in some small microorganisms. Now we have studied about amoeba, how it feeds on its food and how it digests its food. So this is the end of the lesson. Let us continue in the next class. Thank you.